Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create cookbooks in Ortiz AI, which is a generative AI design platform. So here is an American desserts recipe book that I created, as you can see, as I flip a couple of the pages. So let me show you how. So I'm logged into my Ortiz account. This is the main homepage. Start by clicking Create Design at the top, and then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section, so go to the AI Design Agent section, and then click on Cookbook Creator. It'll bring you to this page where you need to complete these individual boxes. For the theme, I'll go with American Desserts. For the target audience, I'll go with Parents. And I'll give it a book title of Popular American Dessert Recipes. And for the number of pages, for this demo, I'll just go with 5, but you can choose a maximum of 25 pages. And then down below, you choose the colors for the heading and subheading. I'll select the hex code and then change it to a red hex code. Alternatively, what you can do is click on this color circle and then use this color palette to choose a specific color. And this is what the heading will look like on the page. Similarly, you can change the color for the subheading. I'll just leave it as is. In this section, you can drag and drop intro pages. For example, you can add a cover or a copyright page or any other pages that you want to. You can check my tutorial at the end of this video on how to create a book cover. I'll click on Choose from Library because I've already created my book cover in Ortiz. It'll open the media library. I'll scroll down and then choose my book cover. And then I'll scroll back up and then choose the copyright page. And then click on Select. So here are the two selected pages. I'll scroll down and then click on Generate Cookbook. It'll then start generating the recipe book, and this can take a few seconds. And you'll then be directed to the My Flipbook section. As you can see, it is in progress. And then once it's ready, you can use these buttons to download a PDF document. You can also use this button to download a KDP-ready manuscript for Amazon. And you can also use this button to download all of the images. If you click this Read button, it'll open a separate browser tab. And you can then click this button to preview the cookbook and flip each of the pages to see how it came out. But that's pretty much it. There is so much more that you can do with Ortiz. Check the link in the description section to get it at a one-time discounted price. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.